Modulus function is the very important part in this function chapter. Okay, so how to solve the modulus? Modulus is the number that is without any sign. Okay, so if 5 modulus we are writing, that is also the value 5, and if we are writing negative 5 modulus, that is also. Now we have two questions here, right? First is 2x plus 1 in a modulus is equal to 5. So here we can write 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, and if it is equal to 5, then how to solve this? 2x is equal to 5 minus 1, that is 4, and x is equal to 4 upon 2, that is 2 value, right? As it was in modulus, so we have to write the other value, that is 2x plus 1 is equal to negative 5. So this is the difference. Okay, now we will find out the value of x. So this is 2x is equal to negative 5, negative 1, that is negative 6. So our x is equal to negative 3. So here we have two value of x, either it is 2 or it is negative 3. Just let us discuss with the other questions, right? So what is our next question? In a modulus we have 4x minus 3 is equal to x, right? So again here we can use that either 4x minus 3 is equal to x or 4x minus 3 is equal to negative x, right? So when we have 4x minus 3 is equal to x, it can be written as 4x minus x is equal to 3. So we have x is equal to 3 upon 3 and that is equal to 1. Okay, now come to the second part. So we have 4x minus 3 is equal to negative x this time, right? So how to solve this? Yes, negative x will switch to left side. So we have 4x plus x is equal to 3. So we can write here 5x is equal to 3 and our x is equal to 3 upon 5. And in this way, we got two options for x, that is x is equal to either 1 or 0.6, right? So these are our two options. Now in this way, you understand that what is modulus function. Now in next video, we are going to discuss about the domain and range of the function. Thank you for watching and please subscribe the channel.